little closer. Yeah, looks like a pretty good day in Michigan. So cleanup day, unfortunately, for some folks in the Flint area and Frankenmuth. Also a nice quiet day in Iowa and Nebraska, where we need it to be nice and quiet. They've had a lot of rain lately. We're afraid that we may see more flooding because this area of low pressure along the front is going to start working its way eastward, and so the rain may be back later this evening, and tomorrow there's a chance of rain. So we've had some spots that have just too much rain. The northeast, that's one of them as well. All along this front is where we're most likely to see severe weather through this evening, and those areas are shaded in red. We have had some strong thunderstorms, some big rain producers, even a tornado touchdown reported earlier around Melbourne Beach in Florida, but we don't expect to see widespread severe weather here. Look at where the watches are, and there are a number of them. I think 7 watches is what we have out. Jim's going to cover severe weather out here in the plains. Let's take a look into the northeast. Remember, New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, you have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect. And I'll show you the warnings here. Look at these cells. You can tell that is just a nasty-looking cell. And this is the one that came out of Pennsylvania, and it is moving across New Jersey. I mean, it is racing. 35, 40 miles per hour. You're not going to get a whole lot of notice with this one. So if you are in a county that has a warning, you don't hear anything, you don't hear any rumbling of thunder, just take cover immediately, because it does look like this is going to be rolling through in a hurry. Hunterdon County, you have a tornado warning. It looks like it's a radar-indicated tornado, as Jim was showing you on the Doppler a little bit earlier. These are the cells. Again, it looks like there's even more developing after the first one goes through. And as it heads southeastward, it's going to come through the Pittstown, and looks like Somerset, with Morris County, you have severe thunderstorm warning in effect, and there may be a few other counties. If you see the scroll at home, be prepared to take cover. 24 to 36 hours. Now, with respect to the states, we may have to deal with some of this moisture a little bit later on down the road. There's a big trough off the west coast, which may scoop a little bit of it up. We won't have to deal with the tropical storm force winds, the hurricane winds, but the moisture is something we may have to deal with. With more on the rest of the nation's week ahead, let's talk to Jill. All right, let's take a look at that overall pattern. This is for a little bit later on this week. There's the trough that Jim was mentioning, and that could pull some of that moisture up from Alma, in whatever form Alma may be in at this point. It also may allow in a little bit of rain and some thunderstorms to Northern California, something you don't see a whole lot of in June, that's for sure. We already are dealing with one heat wave. We think that's going to be squashed within a couple of days, and then the next one will start building up under this ridge of high pressure. So our eastern weakness returns. We'll have a little front in here, and it'll be kind of typical summer weather. Typically hot and humid, but maybe not as excessive as it is right at the moment. Scattered thunderstorms. Our tropical moisture is another big question mark on our extended outlook here, as we may get some rain, and we could certainly use that in New Mexico and Arizona. Looks dry through tomorrow. The rain will be out here in Nebraska and Iowa. You get it again, hopefully not lasting long. Chicago, you'll end your weekend with rain. Cleveland, you're in good shape. And Pittsburgh, looks like a better day for you tomorrow. Sunshine, real nice stuff. Forget the severe thunderstorms that we've had today. We could see some heavy rain in Texas, also welcome here. That may hold temperatures down into the 80s. Otherwise, it's just 90s, basically wall-to-wall here, with a few 100s mixed in. Looks like around Columbia, South Carolina to Augusta. The heat, again, it's coming down here in the southeast, but then it's building up in the plains Tuesday and Wednesday. And then by Thursday, the hottest place in the country is probably going to be right out here, with temperatures over 100 and the heat index, of course, up around 105, maybe higher. So here's the front that's going to cool things off in the southeast. It doesn't come plowing through. It kind of meanders through. Northwest gets wet initially, and then, can you believe this? Maybe finally we're going to add a little green to the map for you in New Mexico and Arizona. You are seeing a few thunderstorms today, but it looks like there's even a better chance as we hit Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah, it'll be nice to see them get actually a few days together with the storms. I mean, it won't help alleviate the drought, but at least it'll help.
Well, we need a couple of inches to really help things out, that's for sure. Stay tuned. We're going to check severe weather again shortly.
Incredibly shiny, healthy hair begins with Citrus-Shine. With natural extracts of exotic citrus fruits, Citrus-Shine responds to your hair's individual needs with nourishing shampoos, protective conditioners, stylers that hold and control, and shine treatments that maximize luster. Citrus-Shine is nature's prescription for beautiful hair. So rediscover healthy, shiny hair the natural way.
This is your local forecast. Information you can plan on, because now we show it on the 8s of every hour. Local on the 8s on the Weather Channel.
he sat wedged between... But his tray table was down, mocking him.
When you can't smoke, don't forget your Wrigley Spearmint.
Here it comes!
Once again, from the Weather Channel, a home video that puts you right on the edge.
It's on 935. It's right in front of me.
Wind speed, 260-plus miles per hour. Strike range virtually anywhere in America.
This is incredible.
1995. More tornadoes were documented than ever before, and the experts at the Weather Channel have captured it all on one spectacular home video. Tornadoes 95. Call 1-800-626-9477 now, and you're at ground zero with the Storm Chasers.
Power flashes.
In the blink of an eye, these daring tornado hunters
We are within 1/4 of a mile.
can become the hunted.
I'm too close here.
This home video is so compelling that it can only come from the Weather Channel. Tornadoes 95 is not available in stores. To order your Tornadoes 95 home video, call 1-800-626-9477 or send check or money order for $14.95 plus $3.95 shipping and handling to the address on your screen. Order now.
Mazda 626. V6 and 160 horses for the price of a 4-cylinder Camry. Lease a 626 from 0 down, $209 a month. 626 Sports Sedan, pure performance. 626.
When a toothpaste helps get teeth their dazzling whitest, people want to know more.
But what's so different about Aquafresh whitening?
A patented tri-clean formula that whitens without peroxide, bleach, or harsh abrasives. What does it really do? Aquafresh whitening safely and gently breaks up stains to help get your teeth their whitest. You got proof it works? Aquafresh whitening is clinically proven to whiten better than Crest. Even Rembrandt can't beat it.
So every day I brush helps my teeth get whiter.
Aquafresh whitening, safe to use every day for dazzling whiter teeth.
The business travel forecast is sponsored by Westin Hotels and Resorts. Choose your travel partner wisely. Thunderstorms. We had a report of a tornado associated with a cluster of severe storms moving through Hunterdon County a while ago. Now, this complex of storms started back in the Poconos earlier today. It's been moving southeast at a fairly good clip, but torrential rain will come out of this before it works its way across the entire state of Jersey. Western tip of Long Island, perhaps getting a little bit of heavier rain in the next few hours. But generally, these counties here in central Jersey, east of Trenton, look out for some local flooding with this complex of severe thunderstorms, and we'll keep you posted regarding any future tornado warnings that are issued. All right, let's take a look at what's happening with the travel weather this evening. Scattered showers and thunderstorms from the northeast, the mid-Atlantic.